Hi guys, it's Wee Tooth. I'm just cooking up some of this Chinese style mayflower curry sauce. It's about 5 to 6 minutes. All you do is you paste the bag, bung it in the microwave. So I'm going to finish it off in another minute. I can't pause this, so you'll have to excuse the loss of it. But apparently the chips itself, these are Aldi chips, these. Other chips in that. So that's to do it. So that's what you want to be at, really well cooked. I actually did it for 6 minutes earlier on. So 5 to 6 minutes depends on your microwave. Now you're gonna watch this because it'll be fucking ready. There you go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna attempt to pop that in there, which is not a good idea. It's dripping all over. This is a bit of a fail, but whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am not editing these videos, so that is absolutely red hot. So let's clean that up. In real life, you're going to see all these TV chefs and stuff like that, and they're coming around with their perfect little white sauces and perfect white ghee. How many times I've done this, dropping splatting all over. Anyway. So, first impressions is the mayflower itself. It's well known. It's basically what you get in the Chinese restaurants. There's not much difference at all. So I'm going to take a bit with this chip. I don't think the cat's going to have any now. I might like him. It's not good for him. Alright, so that's what it looks like. It's quite a nice sauce as well. Excuse me, it's thick, you know. It's exactly what you get from the Chinese. There's no difference in taste at all. And, you know, it tastes absolutely beautiful. Then I thought I'd show you that in real life there's no vegetables in it, it's just sauce. It tastes very like Chinese sauce. But unlike a lot of the sauces you get mixed up, this is actually the real deal, this. So thanks guys for watching. And have a good evening. Bye for now.